Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 832-553-8300 to start now. Gorgeous two-story home with impressive high ceilings in Silverglen North. Ideal open-concept floor-plan kitchen with a sit-in island perfect for entertaining, and breakfast room overlooking your family room. Separate formal living room with a dining area. Master bedroom is downstairs with master bath garden tub with separate shower, double vanity, and 2 large walk-in closets. Secondary bedrooms and a huge game room upstairs. Spacious backyard. Great location and easy access to Beltway 8, I-45, medical and shopping.